Are you new to Rufus and feeling a little overwhelmed by all the options on the screen? Don't worry. In 2025, setting up Rufus for the first time is simpler than ever if you know a few key tips. In this video, I'll walk you through essential Rufus setup tips for new users, so you can create bootable USB drives quickly and safely. The first tip is to choose the correct USB drive carefully. Rufus will format the drive during setup, which means all existing data will be erased. Make sure you back up anything important before you start. Once your USB is ready, plug it in and select it from the drop-down menu in Rufus. Choosing the correct drive is critical to avoid accidental data loss. Next, focus on selecting the right ISO file. This is the file that contains the operating system or tool you want to boot from. Make sure you have the official, uncorrupted ISO downloaded to your computer. Once you select it, Rufus will automatically detect the type of file system needed, but you can manually adjust it if necessary. Another setup tip is to understand the partition scheme and target system. Rufus allows you to choose between MBR and GPT partition schemes, depending on whether your system uses BIOS or UEFI. For most modern PCs with Windows 10 or 11, GPT and UEFI are the standard. But if you're creating a bootable drive for older systems, MBR may be necessary. Knowing this ahead of time saves confusion later. Also, take advantage of Rufus's advanced options only if needed. For beginners, the default settings are usually sufficient. But if you want to create persistent storage for Linux distributions, enable quick format, or adjust cluster size, make sure you understand what each option does before changing it. Sticking to default settings helps avoid mistakes while you're still learning. Finally, always double-check everything before clicking Start. Verify the USB drive, ISO file, and settings. Once you click Start, Rufus will format the drive and write the ISO. This process can't be undone. Paying attention at this step ensures a smooth and error-free setup. Following these tips will make setting up Rufus quick, easy, and stress-free, even if you're completely new. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more beginner-friendly tech tutorials in 2025. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.